Today we are going to Kumbhalgarh Fort. Kumbhalgarh, literally Kumbhalgarh Fort, is a Mewar fortress on the westerly range of Aravalli Hills in the Rajsamand district near Udaipur of Rajasthan state in western India. It is a World Heritage Site included in Hill Forts of Rajasthan, built during the course of the 15th century by Rana Kumbha. Occupied until the late 19th century, the fort is now open to the public and is spectacularly lit for a few minutes each evening. Kumbhalgarh is situated 82 km northwest of Udaipur by road. It was the most important fort in Mewar after Chittorgarh. In 2013, at the 37th session of the World Heritage Committee held in Cambodia, Kumbhalgarh Fort, along with 5 other forts of Rajasthan, was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site under the group Hills of Fort of Rajasthan. The fort is among the largest fort complexes in the world and the second largest fort in India after Chittorgarh Fort. The early history of the fort could not be ascertained on account of lack of evidence. The earliest name of the fort is believed to be Machindrapur, while Saib Hakim, a historian, named it Mahor. Kumbhalgarh is its current form was built by Rana Kumbha, who was the Rana of Mewar from the Sisodia Rajput. Rana Kumbha took the aid of the famous architect of the era Madan. Rana Kumbha's kingdom of Mewar stretched from Ranthambore to Gwalior and included large tract of what is the now Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Out of the 84 forts in his dominion, Rana Kumbha is said to have built 32 of them, of which Kumbhalgarh is the largest and most elaborate. Kumbhalgarh also separated Mewar and Marwar from each other and was used as a place of refuge for the rulers of Mewar at times of danger. A notable instance was in the case of Prince Uday, the infant king of Mewar, who was smuggled here in 1535 when Chittor was under siege. Prince Uday later succeeded to the throne. The fort remained impregnable to direct assault. Ahmad Shah of Gujarat attacked the fort in 1457 but found the effort futile. There was a local belief then that the Banmata deity in the fort protected it and hence it restored the temple. There were further attempts in 1458, 59 and 1467 by Mahmud Khalji, but it also proved futile. Built on a hilltop 3,600 feet above sea level on the Aravalli range, the fort of Kumbhalgarh has perimeter walls that extend 36 km 22 mile, making it one of the longest wall in the world. The frontal walls are 15 feet thick. Kumbhalgarh has 745 gateways. There are over 36 temples within the fort, 300 ancient Jain and the rest Hindu temple. From the palace top, it is possible to see kilometers into the Aravalli range. The sand dunes of the Thar desert can be seen from the fort walls. According to popular folklore, Maharana Kumbha used to burn massive lamps that consumed 50 kilograms of ghee and 100 kilograms of cotton to provide light for the farmers who worked during the night in the valley. Important structures in the fort. Lakhola tank is the most notable tank inside the fort, constructed by Rana Lakha during 1382-1421 century. It is located in the western side of Kelwada town and measures 5 km in length to 100 meter to 200 meter in width. The tank had a depth of 40 feet during independence and since then has been raised to 60 feet. Aret pole is the gate on the western side. Halla pole with the downward slope from the entrance. Ram pole and Hanuman pole near Bhavdi are the major gates of the fort. There are inscriptions on the foot of idols in Hanuman pole detailing the construction of the fort. Badshahani Bhavdi is a stepped tank believed to have been built during the invasion of Shahbaz Khan in 1578, the general of Akbar, to provide water to troops. Most buildings are visible from the Ram pole, which is considered an architectural specimen. Hindu temple. A Ganesh temple built on a 12-feet platform and is considered the earliest of all temples built inside the fort. Neelkant Mahadev temple is located on the eastern side of the fort, built during 1458 century. The central shrine of Shiva is approached through a rectangular enclosure and through a structure supported by 24 huge pillars. The idol of Shiva is made of black stone and is depicted with 12 hands. The inscriptions indicate that the temple was renovated by Rana Shanga. Jain temple. Parshvanath temple built during 1513. Jain temple on the eastern side and Bhavan Jain temples and Golera Jain temple are the major Jain temples in the fort. Mataji temple, also called Kheda Devi temple, is located on the southern side of Neelkantha temple. Mamdev temple, Pital Shah Jain temple and Surya Mandir Sun temple are the other major temples inside the fort. When you go to visit Kumbhalgarh fort, you will spend 3 to 4 hours and take some food with you and water bottle with you and cap and sunglass also kept with you because on the fort there is nothing to eat. So please visit one time Kumbhalgarh fort. I am S.L. Dangi from Udaipur, Rajasthan. You can reach here by aeroplane Udaipur airport and from Udaipur airport to Kumbhalgarh
One minute to post.